How to make iced coffee. Brew your hot, fresh coffee. Make it stronger than usual, you'll be diluting it with ice. The strength of the brew depends on how many ice cubes you plan to use. If you want sugar in your coffee, add it now as the granules tend to dissolve more easily in hot liquid. Transfer your freshly brewed coffee into a carafe. Let the coffee cool to room temperature, approximately 1 hour, then move into the refrigerator for a further 2 hours to thoroughly chill. Have a cup. Fill a tall glass with the chilled coffee, add a few ice cubes plus milk or cream, if preferred. Stir well and serve. Cold brewed coffee. Brew it cold. This method will provide a sweet, tasty iced coffee with up to 67% less acidity than hot brewed coffee. Cold brewing also eliminates some of the bitter, undesirable traits you get from hot brewed coffee. Mix the water and coffee. Put measure of coarse ground coffee to suit your taste into a pitcher. A full-bodied darker roast will give you a richer coffee flavor. Add water. Pour 9 cups of cold or room temperature water into the pitcher. Steep. Cover the pitcher, and let it steep for at least 12 hours in a cool place. After steeping, you must separate the grounds from the water. Strain the coffee. Decant the coffee by pouring through a fine meshed sieve, into another container. Place a coffee filter, 2 paper towels work 2, in the sieve and carefully pour the mixture through to separate the last of the grounds. You are left with a sweet, full-bodied, coffee concentrate. Serve it up. In a glass, add a desired amount of ice, and 1 part coffee concentrate to 3 parts cold water or milk. Add sugar if desired. For easier mixing, use simple syrup in place of sugar. Coffee frappe. Pour about a cup of freshly brewed coffee into a blender. Add crushed ice. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Blend for about 10 seconds. You want the ice to be like a coarse snowball. Add a couple tablespoons of sugar for an extra sweet taste. If you have any flavoring like French vanilla, flavored creamers, etc., feel free to add it in. Blend again until smooth. Serve and enjoy the nice blended coffee that you have made. Instant Jamaica Shaker. Dissolve instant coffee and sugar in water. Combine with 8 ounces, 200 ml, chilled milk and crushed ice. If you have a bottle, shake, shake, shake. If you have a mug or cup, stir, stir, stir. Enhancements. Add aromatics. Use bits of orange peel, orange juice, and orange ice cream to the chilled coffee for a delicious orange ice coffee treat. Buy raspberry ice cream, and fresh red raspberries. Add to the cooled coffee for this different tasting ice coffee. For adults only, add 2 parts chilled coffee, 2 parts Irish cream, 2 parts vodka, and a dash of vanilla. It's got to be 5 o'clock somewhere.